Hi guys, it's Donna at Face Paints For You, and I'm back with a fast and easy one-stroke owl design. If you're interested to see how I do this, please keep watching. The girl you see in the video is my daughter, and we was actually at a festival, and the little boy that you saw at the beginning of the video was the one that I did the design on initially. And then my daughter really liked it, so she asked me to do it on her as well. So I thought, why not do a video whilst I'm there, and at least I can show you guys how I did this. Okay, so I got my one-stroke brush, and that's from the face painting shop, 1 inch flat angled brush, and I loaded it up with a white to grey to black one-stroke and as you can see, I started from the middle of the forehead, in between the eyebrows, and with a zigzag, or by wiggling my brush up and down, I did a few strokes going round, like as if the feathers at the top of the owl's head. Then, as you can see, I went onto the eyebrows and made 2 big eyebrows going round, and then with a flick at the end going up. Then exactly the same motion I did in the middle of the forehead. I started from the side of the eyes, and a bit like a mask, let's say, and again by wiggling my brush, doing a few different brush strokes going down towards the nose. And when I get to the nose, I only very slightly do it right at the beginning of the nose, especially towards the top, so the white part. And then I load my brush again with an orange to lighter orange. I actually made a mistake here. I was supposed to do it with the orange to yellow. I think it looks much better like that. So if you have got one of them, it would be much better. But yes, all I did is a bit of a V shape, and then coloured that in, and then slowly at the top of the beak, that's when that you can see that I'm doing now. I'm doing a couple of little lines just to like blend it in at the top of the nose. Then I got my number 3 Low Cornell round brush, and I did 2 tiny little teardrops, one on one side of the nose and one of the other, and that's the little holes that you would find on a beak, like where they would breathe from, so their little nostrils, let's say. And all I do is just outline the beak, and really that's the design done. I hope you really like it. It literally takes 2 maximum to 3 minutes, not even that. So it's a fantastic design to do when you've got a big queue at a festival. But yeah, I hope you really like it. If you did like it, or this has helped you in any way, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in my next video. Happy painting. Bye guys.